It's 95 degrees outside, and let the air conditioner run, and it's maintaining about 79, 80 degrees in here, which is comfortable, but I would like it to do a little bit better. I think once I get all the walls up, window coverings where they're supposed to be, there's a lot of heat that comes from right up in here. Like you can feel it radiating out. So I'm gonna have to work on that. It says 81 degrees. Yeah, it's like 100 and something back there though, 120. Big difference on the roof though. The roof's still a little bit warm. If this thing was parked in the shade, I bet you'd have no problem with it. But like I said, it's comfortable. Got it on 70 degrees. You know, maybe if I knocked it down to 60, it would probably keep it super cool in here. But I'm at a place where it works. Before I was like, oh no, I bought this expensive air conditioning and nothing's working. So at least I'm where it works now. So happy about that. So I decided to cut down the bathroom size because it was kind of a ridiculous size for the size of a camper, and just go with the bare minimum. I'm gonna have 2 foot across, 24 inches. Still gonna be able to take a shower in there. It's gonna be a little cramped for taking a shower. It's gonna be like an emergency shower maybe, or it's gonna be like when there's nothing else available and you're excluded and you want to take a shower and get clean after a run or something like that, and be able to hose off real quick inside here. And I'm gonna use a PVC door like I did on my box camper, because that idea worked out pretty well, and it's gonna work out great for this size with the door and everything, so I'm going that route. I had ordered a Nautilus door, the one where you slide and it squeegees off and everything, but I kind of like my PVC door better, so I'm gonna go with that. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the PVC. I can only find one sheet. It was the last sheet they had in Home Depot, and I'm gonna work with that. And I'm gonna make the floor and the bottom out of PVC also, as much as I can, whatever I've got left to work with. So the backsplash is going to be all PVC, the bottom's going to be PVC. Didn't leave the air running. Well over 100, probably 110. Get some circulation. I think I'm going to go get my router and run along the edge here and see if I can put a nice rounded edge on this PVC. Yep, that's a tiny shower, all right. Yep, I gotta make that hole better anyway, so that'll work out good. Whew. All right.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.